Welcome to EngTech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
We are going to look at installing and configuring Elementor. I'm just going to go over to our WordPress dashboard. This is our WordPress dashboard. Now, if you want to install a plugin, you just go over to your plugin. We have plugins, so you have install plugins. We add plugins. This website is the installed plugin. These are the plugin that you already have. This plugin editor. So I'll come to installed plugin. I want to show you some plugins we have on this website. So plugins are tools that you use to build your website. All these things you are seeing here, your theme. Let me zoom that. Most of these things you are seeing here, your theme. Alright, this theme, comments, this theme you are seeing, there are different kind of theme, service. All these are plugins. Alright, all these are plugins. So I'm going to walk you through on how these plugins work. So here, as you can see, we have entered our plugins. So we came here, we clicked on installed plugin. These are plugins that we have already installed. Alright, so I'm just going to scroll down. As you can see, we had advanced pop-up. Alright, so everything you see on WordPress, they are majorly one or two plugins. This all-in-one WordPress migration backup. Alright, so this is a backup plugin that you use to back up your website. Alright, this backup is very, very important. So take notes. Make sure you have that installed on your website. Alright, it can be used to back up your website. We have breadcrumb. All these are plugin classic editor. Alright, we are going to make use of all these plugins. So plugins are essential. So we have Elementor. So on this particular class, we are supposed to look at how to install our Elementor, but we already have Elementor installed. But I'm just going to show you how to install the same process. All these plugins you see here were installed in the same process. You can either install plugin by downloading them, alright, or you can install them by uploading them. That means if you go to Code Canyon where you buy plugins, you can go there and buy plugin, install, download it on your dashboard, on your system or your laptop. Then you can come here and upload this. So I'm going to show you how to upload plugin. So you go to come over to plugin, you come to add plugin. So they are different. We are currently on here. This is install plugin that has been installed. Here you add plugin. This is what you click on to add your plugin. Currently we have 24 plugins. So I'll come here, click on add plugin. Alright, so these are the plugins that you can install. So now you have options. Alright, all these are plugins that you can install directly on your dashboard. So all you need to do is to come here and click on install. So in order to install this plugin, you can just come here and click on install plugin and it's going to install. Alright, so what you do, you come over to search plugin. Alright, let's see cargo. So we're just going to load if there's any plugins like that. Alright, this cargo shipping location. So this particular plugin that I searched for now, these are plugins that you use for your shipments website, for booking, for shipping, delivering. Alright, you can see this. Let me zoom one in. As you can see, cargo is shipping for WooCommerce, and it's going to load. So you are going to see the amount of people that have installed this particular plugin. Alright, So this plugin was updated 2 weeks ago and is currently untested with your version of WordPress. That means my version of WordPress is a new kind of WordPress, right? And it's currently untested. You can see the amount of installed people, amount of installation. There is over 200 plus active installation. This is obviously a new plugin. Alright, so there are different, you look for the best plugin. So this particular plugin, I've used this plugin a lot for shipping. As you can see, it has active 10,000 installation. Alright, and it's also currently untested. Last updated is 8 months ago and it's currently untested with your version of WordPress. You can see they give you all the information to know fully well that they haven't used this particular plugin on this version. This is a new version of WordPress. So this is one of the best shipping. Now all these plugins, these are the free versions. Alright, they have a premium paid versions. So if you can go to Code Canyon to get your plugin, so this is how you install plugin. Just come here and click on install and the plugin will start installing. Alright, but if you bought a plugin or you have a premium version of a plugin and you want to install it manually, what you do is come over to, you see, install plugin. Alright, as you can see, you see add plugin. So upload plugin. That means you already have your plugin and you want to upload yours. You just come here and click on upload. So you scroll down, you can see we have a different, let me zoom that so that you can see. Alright, so now here is what it said. It said if you have plugin in zip format, so you may install or update it by uploading it here. Alright, so any plugin that you want to install on WordPress must be a zip file. Alright, so I'll come over to choose file, go ahead and choose file. So I'll just look for download to see if there's any. These are this WP form, this nest code, all these are right. So all these are plugins. This is a form plugin, WP form. Alright, I'll just hit on open. Alright, so I don't want to install that. So what you are going to do is, because I don't need this particular plugins, I already have. So you come here and click on install. So you just come here and click on install. Once you click on install, it automatically installs. Alright, it automatically installs. It doesn't take time. It's just one click install. So that is how you install your plugins. So the Elementor will currently have, let's go back to our plugins, our install plugins. So the Elementor we currently have here, that was how we installed them. Alright, this Elementor was installed from our plugin, so it was not uploaded. So we just came here and type Elementor. Just wait for it to load. Alright, this is the Elementor website builder. Now it has 10 million active installation, and this particular plugin is compatible with my kind of WordPress. It has been tested and it was updated 5 days ago. You can see 10 million active installation. That's to let you know how people are using Elementor. You can see they're asking us to update. Right, they have a new version which is 5 days ago. So I can just come here and click on update, and it's going to automatically update itself. Alright, so that was how we installed Elementor. You just click on install. Once you are done install, you click on save. Right, so that was how we installed Elementor. So I'm just going to go over to our Elementor because we have it here. I'll go to home. So with Elementor come with a lot of features that you can make use of. Alright, so this is the Elementor, this is the header. So we are going to be using this Elementor to build our website. As you can see, it comes with a free, and see site planning. Alright, so all this is a site logo. Upload your logo to shape your brand identity. You can click on open. So we are going to be making use of this Elementor to build our website. So if you want to upload logo to your website, you come to create. These are features, sitemap. These are features that Elementor come with. You can see they're asking us to upgrade. They have a free version and they have upgraded version. So all these plugins, they are not free, though they come with a free version. We are currently using the free version because what we need it for. The free version has the features that we need. As you can see, they have this site planner, logo. You can put logo on your website, and there's so many things you can do here. Optimize. Alright, they have free, everything here is free, so they have a lot of free features that we can make use of. Alright, so Elementor is a page builder. We have different kind of page builder, but Elementor is one of the most popular page builder because it has so many features. It comes with so many features. So when we start using Elementor proper to build our web pages, you are going to see what I'm talking about. So you're going to know why is the boss of page builders in WordPress. So if I come out to click on open, so we're just going to go ahead and load. This is how Elementor load. Mind you, our website, everything you see on this website was built with Elementor. Alright, let me go over to our website. So everything you see here was built with Elementor. This particular header was built with a plugin. Alright, there are other plugins you use aside Elementor. So everything you see here, the donation button, everything you are seeing here, the navigation, everything, this charity, everything was built with Elementor. So Elementor has this, and this is a free plan of Elementor. So this is what free plan can give to you. So if what you need the free plan for, you can get it. So you don't really need to upgrade. You don't need to upgrade if you can get what you want. Alright, so I can just come here and click on Elementor, edit with Elementor. I can do that direct way because this page was built with Elementor. Alright, so I'm going to go over to look at this, your Elementor. You can see here is where you customize. So when we start designing with Elementor proper, so you are going to understand how all these things work. So I'm just going to go back. I just want to show you how the Elementor is being opened on your browser to start designing your website. So this is all for this class. This is just a navigation of Elementor. Alright, we have quick start, we have settings. You can do setup on your Elementor. So when we start making use of Elementor, we are going to check out all these particular settings and what we do with them. So if you are not following this channel, make sure you hit the subscription button so that you can follow up and turn on your notifications so that you can see other things we are going to be uploading on this particular channel. So I will be seeing you in my next class.